Hi guys! Today we're going to make a very healthy salad and it's called sweet potato leaves salad recipe. Okay, so here are the ingredients. The sweet potato leaves, steamed already. Okay, steamed for around 5 minutes. Diced apples. Onion sliced, tomato sliced, and lemon juice, and a bit of fish sauce. Okay, this is a very easy salad recipe and it's healthy. No oil or whatsoever. Okay, first we're going to put in the leaves on a bowl. As you can see, these are the sweet potato leaves. Next, let's put in the onions. Okay. Mix it well. And you know this salad is very healthy. And it's really easy to make. Even your kids can make it by themselves very easily. Okay, so we mix in the tomatoes, sliced tomatoes as well. And this apple is just an option. If you don't want to use any apple, you can just disregard it. But since I've already tried using the apple with this salad, it really tastes so yummy. So I included this in a recipe. Okay. Put in the apples here. Very colorful and so healthy. You can see the colors in it. We have the red, green. It's really Christmas. You can see just like Christmas colors. Okay. Next is we're going to put in the lemon juice. Okay. This is rich in vitamin C. And then the last part of this salad is we can put in a bit of fish sauce. Okay? Just a bit of fish sauce. It's your option. If you want to use salt or fish sauce, that will be fine too. Okay, put in some more because we didn't use any salt for this recipe. Okay, then mix it again. This is just like a 5-minute healthy recipe. Very good for lunch and snacks. Okay, now it's done. So beautiful and healthy. Again, this is a healthy sweet potato salad leaves, sweet potato leaves salad recipe. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys, and try this for yourself and for your family. Happy holidays, everyone.